Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about the veil. Do you know, kids, what is veil? Kids, veil is the crown of a Muslim girl. A girl who wears veil is proud of her faith. With veil, her true beauty is in her character and heart. Do you know, kids, what is the importance of veil? A girl in veil shines with Nur in her face. Veil is not just clothing, it is modesty and kindness. Kids, every girl in a veil is a role model of Islam. The Quran teaches Muslim women to cover with dignity. Kids, veil is not just a fabric, it is our identity, our shield, and our beauty. May Allah bless all Muslim girls who wear veil and give them Jannah. Ameen.
Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.